Right, so now we've moved on to dividing decimals by whole numbers. And I'm only going to do 2 of these because we're going to do more as the week progresses. But here we go. Let's go ahead and start with question number 1. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. It says 1 6/10 divided by 4. Well, you can't solve a division problem, or really any problem like this. You're going to have to rewrite it vertically. So in this case, we're going to have the 4 on the outside of the house, as I call it, and put 1.6 on the inside. And in this case, this is the dividend, what's being divided, and this is the divisor, how many groups you're pulling out of the dividend. And we're trying to find the quotient on top. So the first step you're going to want to do is to move the decimal up. And once you've done that, essentially the decimal doesn't exist, but I like to think that it's still there. And I'm still going to go ahead and multiply to figure out how many 4s I can get from 1 and so on and so forth. So in this case, can 4 go into 1? Well, technically, yes, it goes in 0 times. So 4 times 0 is 0. 1. Take away 0 is 1. Well, now you got to just bring down the 6. Now 4 into 16. Well, I can get 4 groups from 16, so I put that up here. 4 times 4 is 16. And now I'm down to 0. So my answer is 0.4. And that's all you're doing. Moving the decimal helps you solve this problem. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to number 3, which is seeing 7 on the outside and 884 thousandths on the inside. So here we're going to go ahead and just move the decimal, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply as it is. 7 can go into 0 times. 7 can go into 8 1 time. 8 take away 7 is 1. Bring down the 4. And then 7 can go into 14 2 times. 7 times 2 is 14. And it brings us to a 0, and our answer is 0 and 12 thousandths, or 0.0112. So just remember, you need to move the decimal. That's the most important part. Once you've done that, it's just regular division of divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And I hope you enjoyed this.